Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorial video, and on today we'll be talking on how to earn more on the Yescoin swipe to earn mining bot on Telegram. As in our previous video, we talked on how to get started with the Yescoin, and you could see here my Yescoin dashboard. I click on play and launch the application. All right, like I said, it's a swipe to earn. It's a swipe to earn. Just keep on swiping and earning. But you could get more by clicking on the earn tab, and you could see onboarding, where you get to connect your wallet and earn 500,000 Yescoin. Then where you reach gold level to enjoy 100,000 Yescoin or not qualifying, where you follow them on Twitter, right? Follow them on Twitter. And yes, when you follow them on Twitter and you earn 200,000, and you retweet some posts too. These are all social tasks you could do, and you earn 150,000 Yescoin. And you have the announcement retweet post. All you need to do is retweet their post in here on Twitter, and automatically you have the 100,000. And you explore by joining their Telegram channels, by joining their groups, following them on X, right? And joining their Telegram channels too. So it's pretty easy joining most of these things. It's pretty very much easy. And visiting Binance, these are tasks where you earn more Yescoin from, right? Thank you for watching this tutorial video. We hope you've learned more from it and you get started on Yescoin and earn more. Do well to stay poised on the Yescoin Twitter and Telegram announcement for latest updates concerning the project and listing date. Most of these things are quite urgent and they get to list very soon. So thank you for watching today's tutorial video, and do well to like and subscribe to this video. Bye for now.